Everyone is rushing to install iOS 26.4. But for some people, it turns into a full emotional experience. You turn on your iPhone, everything feels normal. And then bam! Lock to owner. No explanation, no continue button. Just you staring at your screen like, what did I do to deserve this? Now we get into something more serious. IBF Tool was created for situations exactly like this, where things are messy, confusing, and nothing seems to work. Instead of guessing your way through random tutorials, this gives you a step-by-step guided process. You install it, connect your device, choose your model and version, and just follow along. No advanced tech skills needed, no weird risky tricks. Just a clear path forward. The goal here is simple. Help real owners recover access, reduce confusion, avoid all the fake magic fixes online, and honestly, that alone saves people. At the end of the day, lock to owner isn't the end of the world, even though it definitely feels like it at first. The right solution depends on your situation. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it takes a bit more effort, but there is a way forward. If this video helped you, even a little, drop a like. And tell me in the comments what exactly your situation is. I actually read them. And if you're still stuck, check the links below. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching. And hopefully next time you see your iPhone screen, it's not judging you with lock to owner.